Japanese food is sushi. Sushi is a rice ball with very topping. It is a low calorie and high in protein. There are many ingredients such as Japanese rice, seaweed, salmon, and more anyway. Today I'm going to cook special menu. It's stir-fried spaghetti with tomato sauce. I like this menu because I like to eat tomato that are both sour and sweet. There are 8 ingredients. Spaghetti 300 grams, vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon seasoning sauce, 3 eggs, tomato ketchup, minced pork 300 grams. For the direction, first, boil the spaghetti, add water and salt for 8 minutes. Next, add the vegetable oil to the pan, followed by chopped garlic and add minced pork and stir fry. Then add 3 eggs and stir until the eggs are broken into pieces. After that, add spaghetti, tomato sauce and seasoning sauce. Finally, stir until everything is combined, then put it in a press.